Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn top 3 Excel shortcut keys to fast your work. The first shortcut key is F11. It will create a chart with the selected range. Here are some data where countries and cells are given. I just select all the data first and press F11 to create a chart in new sheet. Just press F11, it will create the chart in new sheet. I just increase the font size to see the chart in better format. The second shortcut key is Shift F11. It will insert a new worksheet. Just press Shift F11. It will insert a new worksheet. Just press Shift F11. It will insert a new blank worksheet. The third shortcut key is Control F1. It will show and hide the ribbon. This is a ribbon. If I press Ctrl F1, it will hide the ribbon. If I press again Ctrl F1, it will show the ribbon. These are 3 shortcut keys which are very useful to work in Excel worksheet. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.